This is our logo on YouTube. So we will talk about statistic. Okay, हमने अभी we started from statistic graphical representation, and this is a fifth lecture on probability. So what is our main target? Right now we are talking about a pie chart. So let's quickly analyze the data. Okay, so this is your target. So practice set number 6.6 is our target for. So let's begin with the first question. So we will read the first question. First of all, read the question. The age group of a the age group and the number of persons who donated a blood in a blood donation camp, and this data is given below. So for this given data, we have to draw the pie chart for this. So this is age group, okay, and for this age group, the number of persons 80, 60, 35, and 25. So for that, what is our target? We have to draw pie diagram for it. Clear? Hai? Okay. So once again, I will check the situation. Okay, good. So for this, what is the required material or what is the required data? So quickly write down a table for it, because without table we can't draw this. So that's why first we require a table. So what is the observation? First table, just write down here class, okay, which is age group. Next one, number of peoples. नेक्स्ट वन, अभी हम मैं यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन का टेबल लगा देता हूँ, एंड डिग्री. सो लाइकवाइज वी हैव टू राइट डाउन डेटा. सो okay, so class is there, along with that, sorry, degree, calculation, number of parent peoples, and a class. So quickly copy the data. So what is the data? So first of all, write down data 20 to 25, class 20 to 25. Next onwards, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Enough. This is the data for you right now. Next one, number of peoples. So in a first observation, the peoples are 80. Next one, 60. Next one, 35, and 25. Okay, so we know the value. ये जो value जो हमें दिया है वो for we know the value for each group. Okay, but overall we want a total observation. So add this number 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 0, then 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. Okay, which is 20. So 200 is a total, because we are using this in a next calculation. हम आगे वाली calculation में इसको use कर रहे हैं, so इसलिए हमने ये copy किया है. चलो और calculate किया. Okay, next one. Now main task is here. चलो, so okay, so apply formula for it. Given data for the first observation, 80 is a given data, divided by total 200 multiplied by 360. Okay, next one, 60 upon 200 multiplied by 360. Okay, इसको ब्रैकेट में डाल दो वरना कंफ्यूजन होगा. नेक्स्ट वन, 35 divided by 200 multiplied by 360. Next one, 25 divided by 200 multiplied by 360. Okay, now just tell me what is the answer for this. अब इसका जो आंसर है वो क्या आ जाएगा. So now this 0 will cancel with this 0 will cancel with this. 4 ones are sorry 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and 34 fours are करना पड़ेगा. So it's around, so for this case your answer is 144. क्लियर है? So similarly ये 0 इसके साथ कट होगा, ये 0 इसके साथ कट होगा, 36 थ्रीजा होगा. ओके, बिकॉज 6/2 3 होता है. So 36 थ्रीजा, चलो राइट डाउन 108. Next one, 10 cancel with each other. So 35 multiplied by 36 divided by 2. So your answer is 63. And for last one, after the calculation you will get answer is equal to 45. So this is the table, और ये टेबल आपको कंप्लीट करना है. क्लियर है? चलो, so ये हो गया आपका कैलकुलेशन पार्ट. Okay, let's move to the graph. Okay, what type of graph or pie chart that we have to show on a graph paper? So let's assume it this is your graph. Okay, this is a pie chart. Let's assume it this is your center. Okay, and initially what we have to do, just draw a straight line. Okay, like this. So this is the origin. So this is origin, and we have to draw one line from central point like this. Okay, right now I'm writing this without using scale, but definitely you use a scale and protector for this. So what is the first observation? 144. So now put a D over here. Okay, and put a D like this, or put a protector over here and measure the angle. So 144, your graph is like this. Okay, so 144, सॉरी अभी इसको मैं थोड़ा लाइन से रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ. ओके, सो आई विल ड्रॉ लाइन. चलो, सो ओके, सो राइट डाउन हियर 144. क्लियर है? नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन, 108. now put a D over here like this. Okay, and find a distance which is 108. So definitely 108 is like this. So draw the angle like this, 108. So write down here 108. Next one, 63. Okay, this is your baseline. By using this, draw a line which gives us a 63. So definitely this is of, okay, so write down here, what is the last one, 63. So definitely this is of 63, and last one which is of 45. So likewise mention it here, A, B, C, D. It's depends upon you. If you want to mention it, then mention it, otherwise keep as it is. But we have to write a age group. Okay, so 144, this is for 20 to 25. 25 20 से 25 एज के लोगों ने डोनेशन किया था, वो 144 डिग्री था, 108 डिग्री 63. तो ये कौन सा वाला है? दिस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ 25 to 30. This is a group of 30 to 35, and this is a group of 35 to 40. Okay, so likewise कंप्लीट करना है. अगर आपको इसको कलर भी करना है तो भी आप कलर कर सकते हो, चॉइस इज yours. Okay, so likewise if you want to fill it, then also you fill this color. Oh, sorry. ओपेसिटी मुझे रखनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज ये दिखना भी जरूरी है। क्लियर है? चलो, सो लाइकवाइज if you want to color this, then choice is yours. Color this also like this. पूरा कलरिंग चॉइस बेस है। अगर मैं थोड़ा इफेक्टिव दिखने के लिए कलर कर रहा हूँ, अगर आपको नहीं लगता है कलर करना, लीव इट, कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है। ठीक है, सो ये देख लो, दिस इज अ पाई चार्ट।